What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy S, aka the Jump Rope Coach.
Yo, Joey, see my sunglasses? See my sunglasses, bro? What are you doing, bruv? Yes, guys, what is cracking? It's your boy here, Rushy S, aka the Jump Rope Coach, back with my boy Joey Scott from Cut Define Fitness.
What's cracking, people?
What's going on, Joey? If you're not sure what the Fly Define workout series is all about, guys, it is a follow-along 12-minute HIIT workout, a killer HIIT workout, of course, using a skipping rope. If you're not sure what ropes we use on this channel, go check the links down below. This is the most in-demand speed rope on the planet. This is the Rush Athletic Speed Rope, also known as the Money Rope, guys. Use YouTube 10 for 10% discount. Don't forget also to smash the subscribe button and join us. We are the hottest fitness community growing across the world today, and I want to get you guys flying like bosses. So do click that bell, follow along on all the tutorials and workouts coming your way. So guys, without further ado, we're gonna get straight into this workout. It is freezing right now.
Freezing. This one's gonna be crazy.
This one's gonna be crazy, guys. We're gonna be attacking your core, legs, everything, yeah? So get ready for it. We're gonna get into the workout in 3, 2, 1. Let's do this. Yes, guys, let's get started with this workout. I've got my interval timer here on my phone. We're gonna get started with a 1-minute warm-up. And believe me, guys, this is the most hardest HIIT workout on YouTube right now. If you get through this, you're an absolute boss. So, ready, Joey, let's do this. All right, guys, 1-minute warm-up. We're gonna start with a quick 30-second sort of light workout with the rope. 1-arm swings. As always, Mayweather style. Get those knees up. Get the rhythm, tempo, blood flowing around the body. Stay in the balls of your feet, nice and light. Little run step with this. It's a great way to get warm, guys, with your rope. I'm gonna put the rope down now. Joey's gonna take us through some quick body weight warm-ups.
All right, guys.
Jacks.
Some jacks.
Nice.
Got some high knees.
Let's see.
Getting the shoulders up.
It's a new one. It's freezing today. Need to get warm quick.
Power squats. So power squats.
There we go. There we go, guys. Quick 30-second rest. We're gonna go straight into the first cycle. Guys, you wanna make sure you got some water. We've got a driller here, yeah? He's gonna take the piss for the rest of this workout, but we're gonna roll through. We're gonna push through this, Joey.
Yeah.
15 seconds rest left. All right, you wanna make sure you got some water. All you need, again, is your rope, a good mat. Look after those ropes, guys. Look after those knees. Yeah, it's gonna be a hard workout, believe me. All right, let's do this. 3 seconds left. One-legged jumps, guys. All right, here we go. One-legged jumps. What you want to aim on doing, guys, is jumping really at the last second. So not too high, too early. Nice timing. You can then change legs after, let's say, 10 bounces or 5 bounces if you're not that advanced. Even if it's just 3, 1, 2, 3, change. Ideally, you want to try and go for 30 seconds each leg and then change leg if you want to do that. But again, you don't want to be moving all over the mat, just nice and stable, centered. This is great for the calves, great for conditioning. It strengthens your joints, knees, ankles. 15 seconds left. It's gonna be a tough workout today, guys, man.
Seriously, I can feel it already. I've been gymming all week.
But this is different level, man. 3 seconds and next bodyweight exercise. Here we go, Joey. What's first?
Power lunges, guys.
Power lunges. Take me through this one, bro.
So left leg in front, whatever leg you want to start on, and we're powering up on our leg.
So
we're driving up, using them quad muscles.
That's it.
Guys, remember, tighten your core.
Change leg.
Change leg.
10 more seconds of this and next body weight.
So if you find yourself wobbling, tighten your core.
Next one, Joey.
Straight into diamond press-ups, guys.
Diamond press-ups.
So great for the triceps.
Oh.
So down, up, squeezing, down nice and low.
15 seconds.
Burn it up, guys. Squeezing.
5 seconds. 2, 1. That is First cycle done, guys. 30 seconds rest. Let's get it.
Boom.
Right guys, 5 seconds in, we're getting straight into cross step.
Steps.
So cross steps, guys, if you're a beginner, just take it nice and slow. Yeah, that's decent, Joey. Same principles, guys. Chest out, back straight. Cool, nice tempo. If you want to make it more tougher, you really want to kind of slow it down. Otherwise, you can just go at a cool, controlled pace. Breathing super important, guys. Like I always say, breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. Helps you expand those lungs. You really want to feel nice and light. Good, Joey. Nice and light on your feet. This is the perfect step for agility, balance, coordination. If you trip again, remember, continue. Get back on the rope. 5 seconds to go, then it's the next one from Joey. Let's get ready, Joey. Here we go.
Kneeling lunge into our abductor swing.
Nice.
Guys, nice straight back. Up.
It's hard to balance. You change legs as well, yeah?
Yeah, change legs. So do like 5 on each side.
Couple of seconds left in Joey. Next one. Back stretch.
Back stretch. So hands by your side. This is a great exercise, guys, for the back.
I feel it like in the back of my shoulders as well.
Back of your shoulders. Getting rid of that back fat.
10 seconds left. This was good. 5 seconds, guys. 2, 1. Nice. That's the second cycle done. 30 seconds rest. Alright, 7 seconds left, guys. We go into slow squat jumps. These are super solid. Gonna burn your quads. It's all about technique, right, guys? Side swing, squat. You're gonna come right down low, get those bums down. You're gonna stay on the balls of your feet, so you're ready to come right back up. Your back needs to stay straight. This one's a burner, guys. We'll try and keep this up for a minute now, yeah? If you thought the first 2 cycles were easy, this one we're gonna start to really go in. For technique check, we don't want to be moving out your knees like this, okay? You don't want your knees shaking in or out. You just want to keep them nice, steady. When you start to feel that burn, soak it up. Remember your breathing. How you finding it, Joey?
Killer.
Killer. Here we go. Come up to 10 seconds left. Not too fast, Jay. Be nice and controlled, guys. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Next one, guys.
Hamstring stretch, guys.
Hamstring stretch. I'm gonna be terrible at this.
Again, this is about balance. Quite difficult.
So you're trying to keep this leg straight, yeah, Joey?
Yeah, nice straight leg at the back.
The back, yeah?
Tighten up your core. This is a difficult exercise for balance.
Change leg.
Yeah, just change leg. Down.
You can feel that burn on the hammies. 2 more seconds.
So
Next
again,
one.
it's about engaging the core so you don't wobble, guys.
Next one. Oblique twist.
Oblique twist. So you're in a plank position. Got your feet together and you're twisting to the sides.
Nice. So where should the bum be like in relation to the back? Should it be up or straight?
No, the bum should be kind of lower down.
Okay.
Not too high, so we don't want to be up here, guys, so we want to be here.
Nice. Right, folks, that's cycle number 3. 2 more cycles left. You're doing really well. Keep up. Let's do this. Right guys, 5 seconds left and we're going straight into toe kickouts. Really nice, cool move here, guys. Here we go, Joey's just going to kick that toe out. You want to sort of rest your heel out in front of you. So both heel and toe touch at the same time. Again, a nice controlled skip. Remember this week's workout, we're trying to just get you beginners into that intermediate level with these type of skipping moves, and as the weeks go on, we're going to start to up the game.
Yeah, look, people have been saying the workouts are quite...
They're tough, bruv.
They're tough.
20 seconds left. Yeah, the last 2 weeks have been killer, guys. This week's still difficult,
but toned down a bit.
Yeah, a little bit toned down. 10 seconds left. You really want to stay on these 30-second rest breaks. Don't take anything longer. 3 seconds left. Then we're going into Joey's exercises. Let's go, Joey.
All right, guys, we're going to be doing this sitting down, sit down leg extension. So we're going to be keeping the pump on the legs at the top.
So you don't let the foot come down, yeah?
No, so you don't let your foot touch the floor. So you keep that tension on them quads.
Change leg.
Change leg. So you can play around, so you can pump it as well, do pulses, hold it up the top. If you want to make it a bit more difficult.
3 seconds, next exercise. 3, 2, 1, next one.
So we're doing in and outs, we're staying on the floor here. So we're here, or we could do up and overs.
Go.
Or for ones who's beginners, proper beginners, people just getting into exercise.
These are nice.
But advanced,
you
need to do up and overs.
Probably put like a little bottle in front of you as well, right?
Yeah, a bottle of water, so you make sure you go over.
Couple of seconds, guys, keep going. Whoa. Oh, I felt like my legs. That's cycle number 4, guys. Last cycle left. Let's do it. Right guys, coming into the last 10 seconds, this is the last cycle, big push. Remember, this cycle is a little bit more easier than last week's. We're trying to get more beginners into this workout series. Give us a comment down below, let us know if you're enjoying it. But the last one, guys, is running crossovers for the last minute, okay? So take it nice and slow, easy pace, and then when you're comfortable, you can up the pace. A good 4 minute is super solid, but you want to focus on getting a good cross, Joey. Big cross. Getting the thumbs facing behind you. Oh, good technique, bro. Perfect. Remember, it's all about the breathing. You're gonna make sure you keep your arms at the same level. You don't want them to drop too low, otherwise you'll trip. You're gonna make sure that they come in at the same height.
Yeah, the crosses. I just learned crosses.
Like the other week, right?
Yeah. So I'm still a beginner, still fresh on the crosses, guys.
It's coming, man, it's coming.
But it's coming.
And if you can't do it whilst you're running, let's go into like a basic bounce. A little basic bounce. We can go to a boxer step. Yeah, it's tiring, bro. Last 5 seconds. Then we're going into massive star jumps from Joey. Let's do it, Joey. Good work, bro. What we doing here, bro?
Star jumps, coming down on your heels, driving through the quads.
We keep it in each
spreading the arms down. Getting into that nice star position. Getting the legs and arms out.
Oh, this is tough. 10 seconds of this, bro. Oh, my quads are burning. 3 seconds.
Getting the knees together when you come down.
Last 30, Joey, what we doing?
Going into quick feet, guys. So we're quick feet, finisher.
Oh, mate.
So here we're getting down low, glutes out.
I don't think I'm even lifting my feet, mate.
So you're working them glutes.
Oh.
Push, guys. Push, push, push.
Oh, bro.
Last 10 seconds. Burn. The legs up, great for the glutes.
3,
2. Oh.
Oh my God. Big up, bro.
Always a pleasure, bro.
Always a pleasure. You know what, we built this workout for mainly the beginners. We had beginners in mind, but that was tiring. Peeps, remember, do make sure you're following along this series.
That quick feet, man.
Quick feet.
Burnt my glutes up.
We're gonna keep this going for as long as you guys want. So comment below, let us know how you're getting along. Until, can't do an outro after you finish a workout like that.
No, man.
Thumbs up. If you enjoyed this video, it'd be really useful for me, help this channel grow.
Thank you for all the lovely comments.
Innit, man? Joey's loving it.
Most appreciated.
Make sure you get back to every single one, yeah?
Definitely. Work and everything, you know, busy, but definitely getting back to some of the comments, guys. Thank you.
Make sure, respect Joey.
Thank
Listen,
you.
guys, we're gonna see you in that next video. So without further ado, take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.